Welcome to Lecture 2, Importance of Effective Communication. Effective communication means sharing information in a way that is easily understood by everyone involved. It's not just about speaking, but also about listening and making sure your message is received as intended. Ensure message is clear. Good communication is the foundation of strong relationships, whether at work or in your personal life. It helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures that tasks are completed efficiently. In the workplace, effective communication is key for teamwork, solving problems, and advancing your career. People who communicate well are often seen as leaders and trusted by others. Communication isn't just important at work, it also helps you build stronger relationships with family and friends and resolve conflicts calmly and respectfully. When communication breaks down, misunderstandings happen more often, morale drops, and you might miss out on important opportunities. Understanding breakdowns. Teams that communicate well work better together. Everyone knows their role, tasks are clear, and the team feels more united. Leaders use effective communication to inspire and motivate their teams, build trust, and make better decisions. In business, clear communication with customers leads to higher satisfaction, loyalty, and faster problem resolution. Clear communication enhances satisfaction and loyalty, resolving issues efficiently. Effective communicators adapt their message for different audiences, considering factors like culture and language to ensure clarity. Communicators adjust for audience culture and language for clarity. Today, much of our communication happens online. Knowing how to communicate well through email, video calls, and social media is more important than ever. Remember, communication is a skill that affects every part of your life. The good news is anyone can learn and improve with practice. In the next lecture, we'll explore the key elements of communication. Start practicing what you learn every day, and you'll soon see positive results.